Hi friends, in this video we see about the meaning of the sunshine vitamin, other name to the sunshine vitamin, major compounds and the sources of the sunshine vitamin. We all know about the sunlight. Human beings, animals and other living organisms need sunlight for the healthy life. There is no organism in the world without sunlight. The plants need sunlight for the photosynthesis. Like that, we need sunlight for the synthesis of one vital vitamin. This is an anatomical structure of the skin. Here the children are happily exposing their skin to the sunlight. Here also the skin is exposed to the sunlight. We identify the name of that significant vitamin through a small introduction. I am the sunshine vitamin. I am the only vitamin is produced by the body. I am a fat-soluble vitamin. I make the bones and teeth strong like these bones and these teeth. Did you identify me? Who am I? Yes, I am the vitamin D. The vitamin D is also referred to as calciferol. Vitamin D is the sunshine vitamin. It is the only vitamin is produced by the body. It is a fat-soluble vitamin. It makes the bones and teeth strong. There are two major compounds of vitamin D. They are vitamin D2 and vitamin D3. Vitamin D2's chemical name is ergocalciferol. Vitamin D3's chemical name is cholecalciferol. Sources of vitamin D. There are three sources of vitamin D. They are sunlight, dietary sources and vitamin D supplements. Sunlight. Sunlight is the main source of vitamin D. Humans typically obtain 90% of vitamin D from the sunlight and remaining 10% from the food sources. Dietary sources. Only few foods contain high amount of vitamin D. They are classified into vitamin D2 or ergocalciferol rich foods and vitamin D3 or cholecalciferol rich foods. Vitamin D supplements. These vitamin D supplements are available in the form of tablets or capsules. They are vitamin D2 or ergocalciferol supplements, vitamin D3 or cholecalciferol supplements. Sunlight. Sunlight is the major source of vitamin D. Skin exposure to the sunlight about 15 to 20 minutes for 3 days per week is sufficient to get an adequate amount of vitamin D. This is the 7-dehydrocholesterol. It is a steroid hormone. This is present under the skin. When the skin is exposed to the sunlight contains ultraviolet B radiation. This 7-dehydrocholesterol will be converted to free vitamin D3. Then this free vitamin D3 again converted or isomerized into vitamin D3 or cholecalciferol. Dietary sources. Ergocalciferol or vitamin D2 rich food. The ergocalciferol or vitamin D2 are present only in plant sources. In the plant sources, mushrooms only contain high amount of vitamin D2 naturally. Fortified foods also contain increased amount of vitamin D2. The fortified foods mean adding micronutrients such as vitamins and minerals additionally in a fresh food. It is added to strengthening the food. The fortified foods which contain vitamin D2 are fortified orange juice, fortified cow's milk, fortified almond milk, fortified soy milk, fortified cheese, fortified yogurt, fortified tofu, fortified cereals and fortified oatmeal. We see the pictures for the vitamin D2 rich food. These are the mushrooms. Mushrooms contain extreme amount of vitamin D2 naturally. Fortified orange juice, fortified cow's milk, fortified almond milk, fortified soy milk, fortified cheese, fortified yogurt, fortified tofu, fortified cereals and the fortified oatmeal. Vitamin D3 are cholecalciferol rich foods. These cholecalciferol or vitamin D3 are highly present in only few foods in the animal sources. They are fatty or oily fishes which include salmon, sardines, mackerel and herring, canned tuna, red meat, liver and egg yolks. We see the pictures for the vitamin D3 or cholecalciferol rich foods. Salmon fishes. Salmon fish is a popular fatty fish. It is the great source of vitamin D3. Next to the salmon fishes, other few fatty fishes also consist vitamin D3 highly. They are sardine fishes, mackerel fishes and herring fishes. You see the fishes are very fatty and oily which contain high amount of omega-3 also. Canned tuna. Here the fish is preserved in an airtight container along with the sauce and vegetable edible oil. It can be stored for long days. Red meat. Red meat means the color of the meat is in red color while it is in raw or uncooked stage. The examples for the red meat are beef, pork and mutton. Liver. Liver is the good source of vitamin D3. Beef liver is the richest source of vitamin D3. Egg yolk. One complete egg yolk contains 20 international units of vitamin D3. This egg yolk also contains many vitamins and minerals and cholesterol. This white part of an egg contains only protein. Vitamin D supplements. The vitamin D supplements are available in the form of capsules like this and also in the form of tablets. It can be taken when our vitamin D level is decreased in our body after consulting the doctor. If it is taken after a meal, its absorption will be increased. Thank you.